Hey guys, Chaotic Queen here, and today I'll be making drumsticks. I got a pack of Tyson. It's 1.5 pounds. And what I'm gonna do for the first step is definitely gonna marinate this in buttermilk for like an hour. If you have more time, I suggest doing it overnight, but you know. Hopefully this chicken is thawed out enough because it's been in the freezer. Good Lord, can't open it. Right. So we're just gonna pour this in a container. Not that much. That'll have to do. So we're just gonna dip this in the buttermilk. Get it all marinated in there. Gonna leave it sitting for an hour, like I said. Might have to run through this with the water. And again, it might just do just like that. Dude, yeah. Should be. Ooh, that is freaking cold. You know, if you get freaking frostbite on your hands. Jesus. Yeah, it's not the smartest way of going about doing this, but I'm really impatient. I really am. It's been freaking sitting and I thought it'd be thrown out by now. I guess I could like run over some hot water with it. Get this out. Go sit in the sink. Right. This is just a random side note. There's this thing going around. If you buy like pre-cut fruits in the grocery store or Walmart or wherever, there's this thing going around talking about salmonella is getting passed on with the fruit. The regular fruit that's not already cut up, that's fine, but if it's cut up, I wouldn't get it. It's most likely people not being sanitized enough, you know, being very unhygienic when it comes to cutting and slicing things. Which is why it's like, I don't even trust eating anywhere anymore because of things that goes around and people's not clean. I mean, you gotta think about these things. Because I mean, there could be people that goes out on their break, for instance, and like come back in and cook or whatever they do, and who knows what. It's just not sanitary, you know. Not sanitary. Oh my god, okay. It's only a little bit. It's gonna be able to. There we go. All of it's not going to be able to fit, but I'm trying the best I can because I only had a little bit of buttermilk. It sucks when you don't have enough of something. I'm just making sure I just get in there with all of it. Alright. Got all that soaking in the buttermilk. Gonna let it marinate. Why does this sucker smell like ranch? Oh my god. I've never like smelled buttermilk before. It smells like just like ranch. Okay. So I'm gonna wash my hands. And I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'll turn the camera back on and let you guys find out about the whole process of what I do to cook them and what seasons put on there. So you'll see me in just a minute. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start doing the mixture for the, not necessarily batter, but like the coating for the chicken. So I'm gonna start out with a cup of flour. If I can get all that excess flour off there. Making a mess, but it's okay. Actually, you probably need 2 cups at this point. If you have a lot of chicken. Alright. So we got that, and then we're gonna add a half teaspoon of baking powder. Maybe another half teaspoon right there. Okay. Get that. We're gonna add some garlic powder into the mix. It's just the way. I love garlic. Gives it nice flavor. This is Old Bay seasoning, basically poultry seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that in there. Alright. Some Mesquite. It's an awesome seasoning. I love the smell of it, so I'm gonna add some of that in there. It's got a nice smoky flavor. Alright, so get that in there. Going to add, let me see what I'm going to add. Some chives. Add some chives. Come on. Oh my gosh, this top is tedious. Let me just get a pinch. There we go. Alright, got that in there. Just a pinch of thyme. Alright. That's pretty much it. Just gonna whisk that. Oh, actually, I forgot to add the pepper and the salt. So let me do that right quick. Now I'm trying to go for crispy chicken drumsticks. Alright. Gonna add some garlic salt. Some pepper. Just a little bit of regular salt too. Alright. Stir that in. Give you a close up. It's basically all you do. And I got the chicken marinating and that buttermilk in the fridge. So I thought I'd go ahead and do this. And then the next step, of course, would be to get out the chicken, dip it in here, and then throw it in the skillet with vegetable oil. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a thumbs up for me, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so already. I'm going to leave the links to my Twitter and my Twitch, because sometimes I go live and I do game in there, and sometimes I do cooking streams live, so check me out on there too. I love you all. Bye.